Hi, I'm Cole from Aventon. We're going to go over how to change the saddle on your bike. There's going to be two different seat posts that we have. One of them with a single bolt. And another with two. For the single bolt seat post, we're going to loosen up this bolt right here. Get this loose. You can turn this top piece once it's loose enough, and you could pull this saddle straight up and off. To put it back on, put it right down over that, turn that top piece right there so it sits over those two rails. I'm going to tighten it back up. While doing this, you could adjust it and angle it down this way, angle it up this way, back and forth this way. We want to keep it, mostly we want to keep it right in the center here and have this level with the ground. All right, we're nice and tight, we're all good. So for the 2-bolt seat post we have here, we're going to loosen both sides up, this side and this side. This side loose. Let's come over here and get this one. All right, so once you get it loose enough, what we're gonna do is we can hold up this top piece, and just kind of slide this rail over to one side, and you can take it off. To put your new saddle on, just put one rail in on one side, move it all the way over as far as you can towards the center. Put this other rail in, move it back towards the center. Now we can start tightening up these 2 bolts. If we tighten down this front bolt and we go all the way down, it's going to tilt this forward, and vice versa. If we tighten this one all the way down without touching the front, it's going to sit right up like that. So we kind of have to find that happy medium and get this saddle in the center of these rails and about center with the ground when the bike's on the ground. It's in the stand right now. So I'm going to make it about right. Tighten this front one a little bit. Okay, and that's how you switch out your saddle on the 2-bolt seat post.